Hello, my name is Java Bere, artist and creator of Tell the Story of Your Home, a holistic workshop designed to explore what home means to you and how you can express this in your daily life and space, whatever that may be. This workbook was written during the cold winter months as I sat in the attic of our narrow Milltown terrace, hiding from the Yorkshire gales blowing outside the window. The idea for this workshop had been percolating in my mind for years, and finally it all fell into place like a perfectly played game of Tetris. I knew what I wanted to write and I knew what I wanted to express. I've hosted a few instances of the guided workshop now, and amongst all the lovely positive feedback I've received from my participants, one big takeaway was that some folk really needed more time to sit with some of the themes we explore and to accommodate the creative prompts and exercises I set. It became obvious that alongside the guided workshop, there needed to be a self-paced option also. And so here it is. I am so happy to be able to now offer my self-paced version of Tell the Story of Your Home. I have completely revised the course materials into a 50-page workbook and audiobook to guide you through my workshop and method, to mine the stories of your life and to tell the story of your home, working, of course, at your own pace. I appreciate not everyone will need an in-person helping hand, but for those of you who feel that this new off-the-shelf version better suits your needs to the guided workshop, there are also still options to add a one-to-one consultation with me, where we can discuss, amongst other things, your motivation for signing up to the workshop, where you're feeling stuck or lost, what you'd like to focus on, any thoughts or ideas where you may simply need a sounding board or a second opinion, and how we can pinpoint the priorities and areas to give your core attention to and develop an action plan for going forward. It is a guide to illustrate how you can work both practically and holistically in creating a home that looks and feels like you. Because these are the rich homes, the fascinating homes, the unique homes. So, if you're ready to find out more or to jump straight in, please follow the link below.